Foundation Armor is a 15,000 square foot mixed-use commercial and industrial facility located in Amherst, New Hampshire. Designed with a focus on performance, efficiency, and speed of construction, the project delivers a durable and visually appealing building that supports both warehouse and office functions. From the outset, the team prioritized accelerated delivery, long-term durability, and energy efficiency. Using a design-build approach, early collaboration between stakeholders helped streamline decision-making, optimize material selection, and reduce overall construction time. The project integrates industrial space with an attached office component, each designed to function independently while remaining physically connected to support efficient workflow and site utilization. Fabcon served as the precast concrete producer, supplying the primary building enclosure system. The design utilizes their 10-inch VersaCore precast wall panel system, which integrates structure, insulation, and exterior finish into a single component. These insulated wall panels deliver strong thermal performance, enhancing both energy efficiency and occupant comfort. One of the most significant advantages of this system was speed. The entire precast installation was completed in just 7 days, significantly compressing the construction schedule. The panels feature a clean painted finish that aligns with the project's architectural intent. The office portion, constructed with steel studs and cultured stone, provides visual contrast while complementing the adjacent precast system. Winner of the 2026 PCI Northeast Showcase Award for Best in Precast Industrial, Foundation Armor stands out for its innovative use of precast concrete in a mixed-use industrial setting. The project demonstrates how insulated wall panels deliver structural strength, energy efficiency, and rapid installation while maintaining high-quality aesthetics and long-term performance. Congratulations to the project team!